channel if you're new. So in this video, it's gonna be my lock count. Now this is gonna be my second time doing this video because I combined like a decent amount of some locks. So I did want to show you some locks that I did just combine like literally a couple hours ago. So I combined this one. This one was 2. The one in the front was pretty small. I guess I'll just show you all the ones I combined, I guess. I had combined this one. This one was 2 as well. And then I combined this one, which was also 2. I had redid 3 or 4 rows on each side. So I think this row, yeah, this row, it's 4 now. This row used to be 3, now it's 4. And it's gonna be the same on the other side. I did try to mimic the numbers, so it can be kind of symmetrical. This row is also 5, and now it is 4. And then the ones I just did also today is these 2. This was 3. And then same thing on the other side, so I'll just show you. Can't remember if I had combined any up here, to be honest, because I've been doing it throughout the week. I've been seeing locks that are like too small, and I don't like what the size of them, what they were, so I'll just decide to combine them. And then I combined one in this very back row. So I combined, actually I kind of redid the whole entire row, to be honest, because they weren't the locks, the area of the square and the parting on the root, they weren't equal, so I kind of modified this whole entire row. Wish you can see me. And then the 2 that are in the middle are 100% braided down basically to the root. Not 100% to the root just because I can't grip that much because it's like short hairs, but it's basically braided for the whole entire way and then twisted at the bottom just to keep it closed. And then this one here and this one here are still twists. This is my lock that I've had for 2 months. I actually had a little bit of hair that needed to go into this one, so instead of undoing this, I just added the hair and I twisted it, basically did a 2-strand twist with the hair and then interlocked the root so they can be together. So yeah, that's all the modifications I have done. I already know how many, I think I know how many locks I have for sure, but I'm gonna count just in case. I did have 150 before, so let's see how much I have now. Okay guys, so I just finished counting. I just finished calculating how much I have, and I do have 140 starter locks. I had 150 before, so I definitely combined, well, 10. Made sure to have those in correct, like, you know, parting, correct size in comparison to some of the other ones around it and everything like that. So yeah, I'm really happy with that number. My last set had 155, so I have 15 less than my first set of locks. So hopefully the issues that I had with my first set, which were like having thin locks on my perimeter, will not happen this time. Like I'm expecting this one to be small in comparison to like this one, you know? I just don't want too much weight on these parts of my hair because they are fragile. Like I don't even have any hair at all, so yeah. But I'll keep you guys updated on if I combine any more. I really don't want to, I do want to stay at or above 140. So hopefully I don't have to combine any more. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and follow me on all of my social media platforms. All right, thank you, bye.